Hey everyone, we have some 1990 to 1993 Acura Integra headlights finished up today. These were built on aftermarket one-piece style black housing headlights. We did a 2.5-inch by LED projector retrofit with the mini Gatling Gun shrouds. This is our standard setup for these headlights. So if you're ordering on the website, you should be expected to receive something that looks fairly close to this. Additionally, if you want to add any customization options to your build, we do offer custom painting options, LED modifications, headlight protection, lens protection films, and ceramic coating, and definitely some more options on the website. So just make sure you take a look through all that before you check out. If you have any further questions about ordering, you can contact us by email or text or give us a call. Our contact information is on the website.